Well, a big hello to all of our Halcyon clients and welcome to the Halcyon Review. I trust that this email finds you all well. Well, we've just been through a very historical event where we saw Donald Trump become the next US president. And I guess the big question for us here is, what does it mean for Australia and for you as an investor? His win has surprised investors, so be prepared for short-term volatility in share markets. Also keep in mind what happened after Brexit. Equity markets sold off in the following few days but quickly regained composure to deliver some of the best performance of the year. And we've seen this only in the last couple of days, with share markets falling over 100 points in Australia, but gained that plus more in the following day. Many of Trump's proposals could be stimulative for the US economy in the medium term, including more government spending, upgrading of infrastructure, and corporate and individual tax cuts. Therefore, potentially increasing growth in the US economy, and this will flow through to a greater spending by individuals. And in an economy where 70% of its GDP is based on consumer spending, this will bode well for a strong US economy, which in turn is generally positive for global growth. There is, however, a concern regarding the further increase in debt to achieve this outcome. Longer-term consequences remain unknown, but US monetary policy might stay supportive for longer, thereby supporting market sentiment. Therefore, we are less likely to see an increase in interest rates in the US in December as previously predicted. We are expecting to see some weakness in the Australian dollar compared to the US dollar. And naturally, this will have an impact on your spending power should you be looking to travel overseas in the near future. One important factor to remember is that he won't be inaugurated until January next year. So during that time, we're hopeful that we'll receive a clearer picture on his policies and the potential impact that may have on both the US economy and global economies. One thing is for certain is that we're going to see some short-term volatility in the share market. So naturally, as that information becomes available, we'll be sharing that with you. But in the meantime, I'd suggest that you sit down and hold on tight. That's it for now. We look forward to talking to you next time. And in the meantime, have a fantastic week. Bye for now.